Good morning this Tuesday, the 8th of July. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed lower to start the new trading week as President Trump reportedly posted letters to countries indicating new tariff terms and amounts that will come into play once the July 9 waiver deadline ends. The Dow Jones fell 0.94% on Monday, the S&P 500 lost 0.79%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.92%. Imports from at least 7 countries will face hefty tariffs from August 1, according to Trump's latest post on his own social media platform, Truth Social. In Europe overnight, markets mostly rose before Trump's latest tariff updates were revealed. The STOXX 600 rose 0.4%, Germany's DAX added 1.1%, the French CAC climbed 0.4%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down just 0.2%. Across the Asia region overnight, markets closed mixed as Trump's tariff deadline day tomorrow looms, and on the back of Trump announcing reciprocal tariffs will come into effect from August 1. China's CSI index fell 0.43%, Hong Kong's Seng lost 0.61%, Japan's Nikkei dropped 0.56%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.17%. Locally, to start the new trading week, the ASX 200 slipped into the red to post a 0.16% loss following the record close on Friday as investors await the RBA's rate announcement today and ahead of Trump's tariff waiver deadline tomorrow. Investors globally are increasingly on edge ahead of Trump's tariff waiver deadline ending on Wednesday, the 9th of July, as widespread concerns revolve around trade deals not being done, thus leading to hefty tariffs disrupting trade moving forward. The local market is following trends of global markets from late last week as investor optimism fades ahead of Wednesday's tariff deadline. Given the key index is trading around record territory of late, though, investors are also likely awaiting the RBA's rate decision today before making any big moves. Ahead of the RBA's announcement today, it is anticipated that a rate cut will be announced. Investors took profits from the banks yesterday as banks tend to perform worse in a lower interest rate environment. Investors and the market are now factoring in a 97% chance of a rate cut out of the RBA today to the effect of 25 basis point cut. Should the RBA announce a cut, we will likely see the tech, REIT and discretionary sectors continue to rally as such sectors continue and tend to outperform in a lower interest rate environment. Northern Star Resources tumbled 6% on Monday after the gold miner announced its production showed output at the lower end of guidance, while Origin Energy rose over 5% on reports that UK startup Octopus Energy, which Origin has a 23% stake in, is planning to demerge its tech division. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 2.36% higher at $68.02 a barrel. Gold is up just 0.03% at $3,336 an ounce, and iron ore is down 1.06% at $95.22 a tonne. The Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback to buy 64.89 US cents, 94.77 Japanese yen, 47.76 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.55%, extending on Monday's loss. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage of Titomic with a speculative buy rating and a 12-month price target of 50 cents per share. Titomic is an Australian company at the forefront of industrial-scale metal additive manufacturing, and Bell Potter's analyst sees the increased spend in defence, especially to come in the US, as a growth opportunity for the company. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Origin Energy following the formation of a pattern over a period of 15 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $11.55 to the range of $12 to $12.20, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Tuesday morning. Have a terrific day and happy investing.